What is up, our YouTube viewers? So we are here in Tennessee and we had decided to stop by this place called Jurassic Jungle Boat Ride. We've never been here before. This is the boys' first time in Tennessee on our road trip to Ohio. And we came across this little side road attraction, so we are gonna check it out and see how it is. We'll see you guys inside. The Matson boys are waiting in anticipation of getting on this ride. We're here in Tennessee and the doors have just opened. Oh my goodness, we have no idea what we are getting ready to experience. Okay guys, it is pitch black in here. And Fisher is holding onto my leg, guys. And he is crying. I see a Dilophosaur. Brachiosaurus! Whoa! Spinosaurus!
Spinosaur! King of the meat eater!
Oh man, what is this, guys?
What is a pteranodon?
There's a pteranodon up there, guys, but you can't see it. I don't know why it's so dark in here.
I have no idea. Baby
Baby
T-Rex!
T-Rexes! I have no idea what that is. Stegosaur! There's a little stegosaur here, guys.
So loud in here!
Yeah, there, you heard it from the Matsons. Yourself, it is so loud here. Ooh, I see an area with light. Oh my God. Okay, we're approaching a Trianodon.
I see a red eye!
Where'd it go?
Oh no,
There's one. Oh no, it's got a person.
There goes the fish there.
what the heck is that?
Oh, there's a tail right here. It's so hard to see, guys. I'm so sorry. Oh, there's a T-Rex. What is that?
A T-Rex!
Oh, there's another dinosaur. It's gonna eat the Triceratops.
A baby T-Rex!
Oh my goodness. Oh no, they're gonna eat the poor little Triceratops. in, guys, so sorry that it's so loud and it's so dark. What is this?
It's a T-Rex.
It's a T-Rex. And then there's a big one.
It's an allosaur.
There's this little snake monster. If you guys can't tell, Diver is super excited. Oh no, what is this thing?
What the heck is that?
That's the furry T-Rex.
Oh my goodness, guys.
What is that?
Whoa! A big trianodon. Oh my god. It's a raptor.
A trianodon back there.
Oh man, there's a thunderstorm.
I see a raptor or something over there. You can see the head.
Oh my gosh, Diver is so excited.
What? I love dinosaurs.
Oh no, there's a Dilophosaur.
Fisher, look, Dilophosaurus.
Oh no.
A dead T-Rex.
You got
There's a
it.
dead T-Rex.
Don't spray, don't spray, don't spray. Oh! Oh! It just
Look, a
caught her in the
dead
face.
T-Rex. A
A
dead T-Rex.
dead T-Rex.
Okay.
Oh man.
There's a Trianodon.
That's from Home Depot. There's a Trianodon and there's a lightning storm.
A scorpion.
There's a
Alligator.
Oh my goodness, guys.
Gigantosaurus. Look, that's T-Rex. That's a Gigantosaurus and a T-Rex.
Oh man, a Gigantosaur and a T-Rex.
What's up
You
there?
heard
And
it
a
straight from
baby
Diver.
T-Rex. Oh no, the big Pteranodon. The big Pteranodon's back.
Oh man.
Oh.
There's a big Pteranodon up here, but I don't think it's gonna do nothing. It's too dark. I think we are about at the end of the ride. Except for I see another Dilophosaur up here, so we might get sprayed in the face. Here's another Dilophosaur. This one's big and we might get wet on this one. Alright. Oh, we might get wet. Don't get us wet. Oh no, my goodness. Don't spray. And that, our viewers, is the end of the ride. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Stay tuned for our other videos that we are going to be uploading of Tennessee.
What is that? Is that a root?
Okay, we're done.
What'd you think of it, Diver?
That was cool.
What'd you think, Fish?
That was cool seeing the Spinosaur and Dilophosaur.
Did Fisher like it?
Fisher, did you like it? Hey.